One of the lessons that I've learned about wealth and money generally is a quote from one of my mentors, Dr. Cindy Trim, that poverty is not lack of money, but poverty is lack of wisdom. Poverty is not lack of money, but poverty is having a poor mindset. So, becoming wealthy, becoming successful is not about how much money you have in your bank account or even how much money you make. It largely have to do with your wisdom and the mindset you have about wealth. On the podcast today, I want to share with you generally strategies that you can adopt in order to change your mindset and ensure that you possess the wealth mindset required for you to become successful. Remember, money runs everything. Money is the root of all good. Money answereth all things. 99.9% of the problem that you are facing today, it's because of lack of money. If you get more money and you have the right mindset about money, you can definitely become successful. So the question is, how do you ensure that you have a wealth mindset that enables you to become wealthy and, most importantly, become successful? Number one is disassociation. In order for you to have a wealthy mindset, in order for you to begin to make money, in order for you to become successful, you need to disassociate yourself with the myth of money. We are in society where people make a lot of comments about money, like money is the root of all evil. Oh, money will change who I am. Oh, money is not everything. Oh, this man got all the money in the world and look at his life. He cannot even sleep, he cannot even walk. Listen to me. If you have that mindset, you cannot make money. You cannot become wealthy. So the first step of having the wealth mindset is disassociating yourself with these myth of money. If you disassociate yourself with the myth of money and reintegrate that money is the root of all good, money answereth everything, money opens doors, money makes me a better person, money gives me peace of mind. If you have this mindset and this is the attitude and this is your personality, you will be able to attract more, because if you make the negative statement, you are repelling money. Two is association. If you want to become wealthy, it is important you understand what money is about. How do we make money? What are income? What is expenses? What is savings? What is investment? What is returns? What is budgeting? If you want to become wealthy, you must understand this. Imagine that you want to become wealthy, but you don't know about personal budgeting. You don't know about investment. You don't know about taxes. You don't know about returns. You don't know about income. You don't know what it means to make money, keep it, and multiply it. Once you disassociate yourself with the myth of money, you then have to associate yourself with the language of money. You have to associate yourself and know about the terminologies of money and wealth building generally. Number three is going to be education. Listen to me carefully. Education is very crucial. Now, you need to teach and understand, read a lot about how to make money, how to keep money, and most importantly, how to multiply money. Like I said earlier, if your confession is money will not make you happy, money does not buy happiness, you are having a wrong education. You need to re-educate yourself and understand that money has to be made. There is a way money must be kept, and there is a way money must be multiplied. So you need to educate yourself. Every wealthy person you see across the world that you know of have a high level of education about money. Those who don't really have the quote unquote formal education about money have employed experts of people around them to be able to explain to them the hardcore part of wealth creation. But at the base, they have some basic understanding on how to make money, how to keep money, and how to multiply money. Fourth thing is practice. Now that you have understood these things, now that you have these mindsets in relation to money, you have to start practicing it. You need to start practicing how to increase your income, how to become a better version, how to keep more of your money, and most importantly, how to multiply money. And so this is where you start taking some baby steps, like having a goal that, okay, at the end of this year, I want to save 10,000 Ghana cedis. At the end of this month, I want to save 500 Ghana cedis. That is the baby step goals. You start practicing because you know that if you make the money, you have to keep it. Then you need to invest it. So once you're able to save the money, achieve these goals, then you can start some baby step investment. It depends on your knowledge. You can start investment in shares. You can start investment in treasury bills. You can start investment in real estate, or you can go into a business, or you can go into partnership with somebody. But remember, all of these things are the baby steps that you're going to take. It's called practicing, because you need to always start from somewhere. And then certainly the fifth thing that you must understand is to repeat the entire cycle, because remember, as you move to another level, you have to still get rid of certain myths. On the average, at the beginning, you will not be able to get rid of all of the myths, all of the negativities, and all of the luggages that you are carrying along. As you climb the ladder of wealth, as you become more wealthy, as you gain more understanding in money, you need to begin to disassociate yourself again with certain things that are holding you back. You need to continue to educate yourself. You need to ensure that you are knowing and learning more about money. You need to ensure that you continue to practice and you repeat the entire cycle. That is how you build a wealth mindset, so you make significant amount of money and live a better, wealthy, rich, and blissful life. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think about wealth? What does it take to build wealth? What are the mindsets that we need in order to build wealth? Share with the community, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.